What's up, guys? It's your boy E, and I did some really crazy shit. When I say I did something crazy, it's like probably crazier than all the times that I said I did something crazy on the channel. I went out, and thank God I did this 3 weeks ago. Thank God, because the price of gold as I am filming this video right now is insane. It's insane. I think it's almost 34.50 an ounce, somewhere around there, which is just nuts because this country is going crazy. But anyway, I'm Big E, so you know I had to go out there and buy a gold big ass statement piece. With all that being said, this might not be your traditional dope or note because this is for your man right here. And with the price of gold right now, I don't even know if I should keep it, to be honest with you.
No, he's got a point.
But without further ado, Bob. Jesus. Bob, do your thing. Do your thing, bro. All right, guys, we are back in, and this is a heavy box, and you guys are about to be in for a treat. So without further ado,
let's get ready to rumble!
I got my trusty unboxing knife right here, which I love. You guys know that. And let us go and start with my unboxing mission over here.
We'll return after these messages.
All right, guys, so we are about to see this together for the first time, and I'm going to tell you why this is crazy. I have had this thing sitting in my house for 3 weeks. This freaking box has been calling my name like a little ghost. It's like, and who the hell doesn't have a huge piece of gold like this who doesn't open it for 3 weeks? But that's how much I love you guys, that I didn't open this up. And this box right here, I have a resentment against this box right here because I have wanted to open it up, but I wanted to wait for all you guys so you could open it up with me. So without further ado, let's get into this. You know it's heavy, guys, when we got the double cardboard box in here. So we're gonna have to do a double unboxing. I think I got it, guys. I think I got it. Oh. Okay. And you gotta be kidding me right now. We got another box, guys. This is a workout right here, honestly. I am trying to lose weight, guys, so, you know, we're on that, so I'm getting my workout in. Now let's do another unboxing. Okay, I hope this is the final unboxing. You guys see me sweating over here? That's what I do for you. Oh, you gotta be kidding me right now. You gotta be kidding me. I think this is some type of sick joke. I think this is a sick joke.
Do you want to play a game?
I don't know if I want to continue. We might just need to wrap it up right here, guy. I don't know. This is too much. Bob, what do you think? Bob. He wants to be on the channel, but he doesn't want to do any of the hard work. Bob and I have been beefing lately. All right, let's see if I can just get this done with the hands, guys. Pause. Oh. If I see another box. All right. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. All right. Can we all say a prayer together right now? Can we say a prayer for Big E's sanity, guys? Okay. And another. If we have another box after this, guys, I quit. I quit. I'm telling you right now, I quit. You know it has to be special when you have this many boxes. Okay, here we go, guys. So the surprise is now officially over because this piece is from Hawaii Rope Chains, and here is our charger. So let's put this to the side. And after all that, we are here. And for the first time ever, I am going to see my statement piece that I got that I am going to share with you guys. Bob just knocked something off the desk, guys. Hang on a sec. Bob, what are you doing, bro? Bob, you're going to do this with me. So we are going to see this piece together after that tumultuous unboxing. And I am super excited right now. I'm going to show it to you guys first. And we got another box inside. I don't know if this is like a sick joke. I don't know what this is. I don't know what the hell is going on here, but I am about to have a nervous breakdown. I might just quit. We got another bag. Here we go. Another bag. Oh, we got tissue paper now, guys.
What the fuck, y'all? God damn! God damn! God damn!
What?
Fuck! Fuck!
This piece was handmade for me. This was a handmade piece for me. And I'm going to pull it out first, pause, and then I will explain that process and how that went with you guys. But this is going to be Big E's daily wear. So I am excited to finally get this out of the 19 packages that it came in so we can actually start this video. All right. Open up the lunch bag. Bob, you think this is funny, don't you? This is a solid gold 10 carat, and we'll get into that in a minute. Solid gold 10 carat, 13.5 millimeter, 33.5 inch solid gold rope chain weighing in at 400 grams. This is a big boy rope right here. And ropes are one of my favorite links, probably my favorite link. And to me, when you rock a rope this size, you gotta rock it long. I rock all my chains at like a 28 or a 30. But if I am going to get a rope chain, of course, I am going to go to Hawaii rope chains, right? Because you got rope in the actual name. So that's where you're gonna wanna get your chain. And this thing, guys, is absolutely beautiful. Actually, you know what? Let me put the fancy gloves on. Hang on a second. We'll get this on some tissue paper. And wow, I mean, this thing is just crazy, guys. So let's put the fancy gloves on here. And yeah, guys, look at this thing. I mean, this chain is absolutely insane. Beautiful, beautiful piece. I mean, this is a handmade chain. It took about 5 or 6 days to make. Why did I buy 10 carat? And I know some people are going to hate on me for that and be like, oh, you got a 10 carat chain. But listen, number one, gold skyrocketing and being so high right now, I didn't want to pay the extra $5,000, $10,000 on a piece like this. Number two, I don't own any 10 carat. And number three, I'm not a gold snob. Listen, 10 carat is 41.7% pure gold. 14 carat is around 58% pure gold. Nonetheless, it is still pure gold. So if I ever decide to sell this chain or trade this chain or whatever it is, I think today the spot price of 10 karat gold is about 46 bucks. Since I've gotten this chain, I've actually made money off of this chain, which is kind of crazy to say, but that's just kind of where the markets are right now. And I bought at the right time. And something I always preach to everybody is buy gold. Put your money into commodities. Don't let your money sit in a savings account when you can have it in something like gold that's moving and moving and moving and going up and up and up and up. And right now with this trade war going on, I mean, gold is moving at record numbers. I mean, right now, I mean, we just hit 3,400 an ounce. I mean, a lot of the big financial institutions didn't expect us to get there until the end of 2025, 2026, and we're already breaking numbers. So gold is always an amazing place to park your money. So let's get back to this chain, guys. I mean, this thing is absolutely insane. I got this to have a nice daily wear. I mean, for me, for a lot of people, you might be like, yo, 400 grams, you're bugging to have a chain that big. I'm a big dude, obviously, so wearing a bigger chain is very fitting for me. And what I want to do next is I want to weigh this because I damn sure want to make sure it's 400.5 6 grams, I think is what it's supposed to be. And also I want to measure it and then get it on neck for you guys. So let's get this weighed over here. Bring out the scales of truth for you guys like I always do. Zero this out, and here we go. Oops. And we are at 400.46. 400.46. Oh, it went up to 0.47. Actually, make sure I have it in here right. Yep. Now we went up to 400.49. So let's say 400.5 grams. And now let's just measure this thing. 13.52. Let's get one more over here. 13.23. 13.6. So a little bit above 13.5, guys. What do you guys think? Would you guys invest in something like this? Do you guys think that this is over the top crazy? I mean, listen, for me, this is beautiful. We are about to get this on neck. So let's do that, because I will be trying my chain on here for the first time. I actually opened it with the fancy gloves on. Definitely no need. You can slip this right over. And here we go, guys. This is that first glimpse of that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rope chain right here. I mean, this thing feels amazing on neck. I mean, I could put a pendant on here. I could just let it rock as is. I don't think I'm going to be putting a pendant on here because this is super low as is. And if I put a pendant on here, I'm going to be rocking it down to my belly button. This is a dope rope. I just rhymed. You guys like that? This is a very, very dope rope. So I'm feeling this. I love the fact that you guys are here and able to share in this with me. I've been looking forward to filming this for quite a while now. Let me know what you guys think. How do you guys feel about the market right now? How do you guys feel about 10 karat gold? How do you guys feel about 14 karat gold? Do you guys feel like gold is just too expensive to buy right now? Do you guys not care? Do you guys think gold is just going to keep going up? And right now, if you're buying 14 karat or 10 karat, you might actually be buying low. Or are you guys moving over to silver or something else because gold is just too much right now? I feel right now we are not in a buyer's market. I feel like we are more in a seller's market right now. And I think that gold eventually does have to come down. When will it come down? God only knows. Every day something new is unfolding. But with all that being said, guys, this is your boy E. This has been my review of my... Actually, you know what? I wasn't going to do a dope or nope on this one, but I am going to do a dope or nope on this one. And you know what? This rating is just for me because this is my piece. This is not a review. This is my piece. This is Big E's piece, and this gets a 10. And I ran my ass out there to go and get this piece because I wanted it. So this piece is my first ever 10, and that's only because it's a 10 for me. For some of you guys, it might be a 6, it might be a 5, whatever it is, but that's the great thing about jewelry. It's subjective. We get to buy what we like, we get to purchase what we like, and this is something that I love. It's a dream chain of mine, and I'm excited to wear it every single day. Or if gold keeps going up, I don't know, I might need to flip it. Who knows? With that being said, guys, it's been your boy E. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I am out. Peace.